Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable test mode on Spotify. Now, before I begin with the video, I have a 1 month for only $1, and to activate it, just use the first link in my description. So to get started, this is basically what you need to do. So once test mode is disabled, you'll be able to process orders using any of the available methods payments that are set up in your shop. Now, here's how to disable test mode and start processing real payments in your Shopify store. You have to log into your Shopify admin panel. You need to click on Settings from the left-hand sidebar, click on Checkout, and under Payment Providers, select Manage Providers. From there, you want to click on Edit Link next to the payment gateway that you want to use for live transactions. And that's pretty much it. It's super simple. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you want Shopify for $1 1 month, click the link in the description.